Good day, this is your NeoWeather video forecast here on Saturday, March 1st, 2014. Starting out with your weather headlines. Well, we've got another blast of snow coming. We're going to detail that here in a few minutes. How much will you get? That's been the big question, and to be honest with you, it's still the question that many of the NeoWeather forecasters are asking themselves, and I'll explain why here in a minute. When will we warm up? We'll try and tackle that question also. Taking a look at the NeoWeather 3D Max this morning, it looks like we're seeing some precipitation across our area this morning, but actually none of that is hitting the ground. This is all, our dew points are so low that the air is not supporting this moisture over the area, but we've got a lot of cloud cover that is increasing across the area, and that's going to be the story as we make our way through the day. Taking a look ahead here on our future view using the NAM today, as you can see, we stay relatively dry here through the day on Saturday. We start to see some precipitation, nothing really through the afternoon or anything here until we make our way late into Saturday night here. Early Sundays when we really start to see this show up. Here is midnight right here. And you can see that snow starting to build in across the region. Most of it stays right along the lakeshore to begin, but I think it'll dive a little more south than this is showing. But this snow will continue as 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5. And then we'll see this drop south. It's kind of scattered around a little bit on this. And then there's kind of a wave that comes through here. I think that's all connected with that first batch. And we'll see this break here during the day on Sunday, midday. And then we'll be watching this second batch to see just how far north it comes. This model brings it a little more north. I know there's rain on the north side of this, but that's not right. That should be all snow. But it does depict where the freezing rain and sleet are there in southern Ohio. So you can see that affects our area, but then it's quickly dives south and it's out of here. So that's why this storm has gone more south. So we'll take a look at the almanac here and we'll talk a little bit more about that storm that is upcoming here. 24 and 1 were the numbers for the day on Friday. Averages are 41 and 26. Record 69 set in 1972. Negative 2 set in 1884. We picked up a trace of precipitation, brings us up to 3.03. That was our month total for February, and for the year we're at 5.03. Sunrise 7:01. Sunset is at 6:18 here as we get this first day of March going. Now here is our forecast differentials. These are based off the 6Z runs that came in overnight into early this morning. As you can see, the GFS, look where the heavy snow is. It's in southern Ohio. Now look at the NAM. It was more north, but this is only one run, so we won't base our forecast off of it. But I think the NAM will probably drop more south and align with the GFS in the later runs today. We'll keep an eye on this, but I think this has a general idea if you blend the two together of where you're going to see your heavier snows. So with that being said, we have a winter storm watch for our southern areas. I'm not sure what the Weather Service is going to do with this. Honestly, I don't think they're going to need the winter storm warning for these areas. They might issue one, but there's certain criteria. You got to reach 6 inches of snow in 12 hours or 8 inches in 24, I believe the criteria is. Might just be winter weather advisory for most of us. We'll keep you updated though. But right now, winter storm watch there for those southern areas. So snowfall across the state, if we blend all the models together, this is what you get. 2 to 4 inches for most of us on the north side, 3 to 6 there splitting through the state, 4 to 8 into Columbus, then the southern part of the state down to Cincinnati, ice to snow 2 to 5 inches. Few places could see 6 down there, depending on how much ice or how much snow you get in on. When we take a little closer look to home, I had to break this down a little bit. 2 to 4 here for areas from Akron to the lakeshore. Areas south of there, 3 to 6. I think that's your best area to pick up on some snow tonight, and then a little bit of additional snow during the day tomorrow into tomorrow night. But I think once we get into the late night, Sunday night, and early Monday, most of this precipitation is going to be south of our area, and we probably will not see anything falling. And I think the Monday morning commute might just be okay. But as far as your day on Saturday, mostly cloudy skies will climb through the 30s. Winds out of the south, 5 to 10, 50% chance of precipitation. Bring in that chance for some snow or rain later in the day. So we make our way into tonight. We've got snow around 18 is the low. Winds will be out of the north, 10 to 15 miles per hour. The next 7 days, 17 for the day on Sunday. Snow likely. Snow early Monday, 14. 18 on Tuesday, mostly cloudy. And we start to warm up. 30 on Wednesday, partly sunny. 32 Thursday, partly sunny. 37 on Friday, partly sunny skies. So overall, an improving trend after these upcoming cold days and snow over the weekend. I'm forecaster Eric Poston. Make sure you stay connected with us by visiting our website, neoweather.com, and interacting with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. NeoWeather, Ohio's home for weather.